Boom, right there. The Granary 3-liter PETLIBRO right here. This is a food dispenser for your pet. Push, boom, open. The PETLIBRO right there. USB-C charging. I love that. Nice black finish right there. So this is the PETLIBRO right here. This lid here is so smart because your pet cannot steal the food. It prevents pet from stealing the food. You have the lock, unlock right here. Very easy, right? You twist this switch, unlock, pull it out. Right here, you got all the instructions inside. You also have this right here, the preservation right here, so it keeps your food dry. You have some instruction manuals from PETLIBRO. AC adapter right here, plug into wall, and you have the USB-C cable right here to charge your PETLIBRO. Remember, the charger is at the bottom back here. That's how you charge your PETLIBRO. Very simple, very easy. You pull this right here on this side, also on this side. So you just lift the side. Once you lift the side enough, this thing will come out just like that. Boom, there we go. You lift this out, and this is the top part of the feeder. You can see all this inside right here. Look at the motorized unit right here. So this motorized unit makes sure that you feed the food goes down. It's very precise. Very cool pet feeder right here. Boom. Look at the food in the feeding tray. There's the feeding tray right there. Boom. And the base of the feeding tray. Okay, cool. This thing hooks onto the PETLIBRO. You put it together, and there we go. The PETLIBRO is like that. Very cool. You have the motor right here to push the food down. You have this on top right here. That is your food container. Boom. Lock it in place. You have the feeder right here. Then you have the actual tent right here. Put that in right there. And then you have the lid on top right here to seal it off. Your pet, it won't steal the food. PETLIBRO, USB-C charging. This thing has up to 6 meals per day, up to 50 meals total. Very easy. You can even record your voice so that you have a voice call. Hey baby, come eat your food. Very simple, very easy to use. The PETLIBRO automatic food dispenser right here. Ah, yeah.